Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super delicious Nigerian dish called Yamarita. Let's get started. So firstly, we're going to need to cut our yam. So you need to cut and peel, and then you're going to slice your yam into rectangle shapes. So try to make sure that they are even so that they can cook uniformly. After slicing, make sure you rinse them very well to remove any excess fat. This will help the yam to fry up nice and crispy. Now you're going to add the slices into a pot of water, and then you're going to boil them for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are tender but not too soft. Okay, you still want them to hold their shape while frying. So while the yam is boiling, let's prepare our batter. So firstly, you need 1 cup of flour, and then you're going to add paprika, you're going to add garlic, you're going to add black pepper, you're also going to add curry powder and salt. Then you're going to mix this together to make sure that it's well combined. So when you're finished with that, you crack 2 eggs, and then you're also going to put all the spices you added on the flour. You're going to add them as well in your egg, and then you're going to mix together, and then you're also going to set this aside. Once the yam are done, you're going to drain them and let them cool down for a couple of minutes. Alright, we are looking for a nice balance between soft but not mushy. Okay, so we're going to cool it down for a few minutes before we start coating. So while that is cooling down, I'm just going to start heating up the oil over medium heat. Okay, so while that is heating up, let's start coating. Firstly, I coat in the egg, and then I coat with the flour, and then I'm just going to go back to the egg and coat it again. So I do egg, flour and egg. That's how I do my own coating. So I find out it makes it better when you're frying it. Okay, so you go egg, flour, and then you go back to the egg. So I'm just going to do this to all the pieces of the yam, and I'm gonna set that aside. That's it, finished. So now the oil has heated up well. We're now going to fry this. Alright, so you carefully place the battered yams into the oil and fry them until golden brown and crispy on both sides. Okay, this should take about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Once they're crispy, you're going to remove them and place them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Now look at that, crispy on the outside and it's very soft on the inside, just perfect. Now you can serve your Yamarita with spicy pepper sauce or some fried eggs on the side, or like I'm doing here, I have a fish stew that I cooked, so I'm using mine with the fish stew. Or you can just enjoy them as they are. And there you have it, a delicious and easy to make Yamarita, perfect for any time of the day. Thanks so much for watching.